Welcome to the deep dive.
Yes.
Long pause. We're, so happy. Today is about sleep.
Yeah, sleep is good. We all do it.
Right. Today we will talk about dreams. We will learn what they are. We will look at many sources. We have notes from sleep classes. We have English lessons. We have dream science.
It is a big mission.
Dreams are fun. Let us say that word slowly. D-R-E-A-M.
That is a nice word. Long pause. Do you sleep well? Do you see things in your sleep? We will help you understand them.
We must first understand the night, what happens.
Well,
we close our eyes at night.
Well, the science notes tell us facts. Long pause. We have 4 to 6 dreams. We have them every night.
Wow, 4 to 6. That is a lot.
Yeah. Most times we only remember 2 dreams. We forget the rest.
Okay.
Dreams happen in REM sleep. This is a sleep state. It happens in a cycle. The cycle is 90 to 110 minutes.
I see. Is a dream a movie?
Like a movie.
Yeah, a street movie, a movie with no budget.
Yes, I agree. The brain makes the movie. Long pause. We sleep. We think we wake up.
Wait, we think we wake up, we are still asleep.
Exactly. We are still asleep. This is called a false awakening.
That is wild. How do we remember dreams?
I have a good tip. Do you want to remember your dreams? Keep a book by your bed.
A book.
Yes. You wake up, you write the dreams down.
Write them down. Right. Long pause. Now we know how we dream. Let us look at what we dream. Many dreams are very weird.
Yes, they are weird.
We can call them strange.
Uh-huh.
Let us spell that word. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Long pause. Strange.
Very strange. You have a story from the sources.
I do. A person dreamed of a giant banana.
A banana?
Yes, they flew on the banana. They flew in the sky.
Oh, wow.
Birds waved their wings. They landed on a cloud. The cloud was made of cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
A cat was there. The cat gave them ice cream.
That is very silly. I love that. The notes have another story.
Oh, tell me.
A teacher was in a classroom. The students were not people. They were animals.
Wait. Animals?
Yeah. A bear sat in the front row. The bear was a good student. Long pause. Very polite.
That is so funny. Why do we have strange dreams?
Good question.
Does eating late at night cause them?
Yes, it can.
Does eating spicy food make the brain act silly? Or, pizza?
Well, yes. Food can change our sleep.
Wait, really?
Yes. Our dreams become surreal.
Surreal?
Yes, they feel real, but they are impossible.
Impossible, right. Long pause. But not all dreams are happy. Some make us feel bad.
That is true. We need to talk about bad dreams. They can be very scary.
Let's sound that word out. S-C-A-R-Y. Long pause, scary.
Yes. Bad dreams are called nightmares. We dream about real fears.
Right. Dark places.
Yes. Spiders. We dream of spiders.
The sources share common stress dreams like you are late for a train.
Oh, yes. Very common.
You miss an exam. You are not ready.
That feels awful. You wake up, you feel lost.
You feel very lost.
The word for this is disoriented. The bad feeling stays with you.
It stays.
Yes. It lingers. Long pause.
Yeah.
Yes. How do we stop bad dreams?
Tell us. How do we stop them?
We must sleep well. I will share a famous idiom. Sleep like a log.
Sleep like a log. I like that.
A log is heavy wood. It does not move. You sleep like a log. You sleep deep.
You do not toss. You do not turn.
Exactly. But there is a funny story.
Oh, right. A man tried to sleep on a real log. He put a log in his yard.
Yes. He slept on the wood. His back hurt so much.
That is so silly. That is the wrong meaning. Do not sleep on wood.
Do not sleep on wood. Good advice. Long pause. You wake up. You want to tell a friend about your dream.
Yes. But you must speak clearly.
Right. We have an English-speaking guide. It has tips. You must warm up your face to talk well.
Warm up your face? Like how?
Try it with me. Make a big face. Open your mouth wide.
Okay, my mouth is wide.
Now make a little face. Scrunch it tight. Stick your tongue out.
Wow, my face feels awake. That's a
Oh.
fun trick.
Yes. I also have a fun phrase. A tongue twister. Say this phrase. She sees cheese.
She sees cheese.
Say it slowly. Take your time. You speak with clarity.
Clarity is good. Once you speak clearly, you share your feelings, you can say, I feel happy, I feel sad, I feel angry.
Yes. Long pause. There are dream idioms too. We have ways to describe the dream.
Tell me some.
You can say, it was like a dream.
That means it was very good.
Right. A friend wants a huge house, but they have no money.
You joke with them.
Yes, you joke. You say, dream on.
Dream on. That is funny. Or you say another phrase.
Which phrase?
The dream was beyond my wildest dreams.
Exactly. Beyond my wildest dreams. That is a happy phrase.
Very happy. Long pause. We do not only dream in bed. Sometimes we are awake. We dream.
Yes, we call them daydreams.
You look out a window, you think of a beach, your mind wanders.
Daydreams are nice. We also dream about the future. We call this a dream job. It is the perfect job for you.
Right. Let us look at examples.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to the moon? You want to be an astronaut?
Exactly. Do you love food? You want to be a chef?
Do you want to build things with wood? Do you want to be a carpenter?
Yes. Do you want to write magical stories? You want to be a writer?
Do you want to help sick people? You want to be a doctor.
These are great.
We have a bucket list, too. Things you want to do in your life.
Like what?
Maybe you want to win a karaoke contest. Maybe you want to train dogs.
Yes. Training dogs is fun. It happens. What do you say?
You say. It is a dream come true. Long pause. A dream come true.
This was a fun deep dive, but I have a deep thought for you.
Ooh, a deep thought. Tell me.
Do dreams have a hidden meaning? Sigmund Freud thought so. He thought dreams were secret wishes.
Right. Secret wishes.
Yes, but today we use smart technology. We wear sleep trackers.
We do. We track sleep with gadgets.
So, do these gadgets help us sleep, or do they just make us stress over numbers? Is sleep a natural magic that we are ruining with technology?
Wow. I have to think about that.
It is a lot to think about.
That is true. But you know what? That is so funny. I have to change the subject.
Oh, why?
I just remembered my last dream.
Oh, tell
I
me.
dreamed of a cake. It was a giant cake.
A giant cake.
Yes. It was as big as a house. It was huge.
Wow, what did you do?
I ate the door.
You ate the door.
Yes. I ate the front door of the cake house.
You must have been very hungry.
I was so hungry.
That is very funny. Well, we wish you a good day.
Yes. Short and sweet sentences.
And happy giant cake dreams.